Whip up a vibrant veggie stir-fry in under 30 minutes. It's the perfect, quick solution for busy weeknights. This Chinese cooking technique, now popular worldwide, sautés colorful vegetables in a sweet, savory sauce. The magic? It's all in the stir-fry. Firstly, select your favorite veggies. Go for a rainbow of colors. Why not? It's your culinary canvas. Then, drizzle a minimal amount of oil in a hot pan. The key here is high heat and fast cooking, keeping those nutrients locked in. Next, sauté the vegetables, tossing them in that sizzling pan. Now for the sauce. Mix a concoction of sweet and savory flavors. Pour it over, let it bubble, and coat those vegetables in glossy goodness. Serve it up, over rice, noodles, or just as it is. This stir-fry is not just a meal, it's a healthy, customizable feast. So why wait? Get stir-frying. And remember, it's all in the wrist action. Remember to check out Alyssa Rivers' recipes for more inspiration. She's a pro food photographer and recipe developer, and her creations are definitely worth a try. Enjoy your quick, easy, and delicious stir-fry.